Dear students, today we are coming to the second consequence of Lorentz transformation equations, the time dilation. Let frame S dash is moving along X dash axis with velocity v relative to S. Let a clock is placed in reference system S, which is at rest, and suppose that this is placed at a point x1. Let this clock gives a signal at a time t1 in S, and t1 dash is the time measured by the observer in S dash corresponding to time t1. Then from Lorentz transformation equations, t1 dash is equal to t1 minus v upon c square x1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. If this clock gives a signal at time t2, the corresponding time t2 dash in S dash is given by t2 dash is equal to t2 minus v upon c square x1 dash upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. This is equation number 2. Therefore, delta t dash is equal to t2 dash minus t1 dash, or t2 minus t1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square, or delta t upon under root 1 minus v square c upon c square. So, we conclude relativistic time is equal to proper time upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Consequently, delta t dash, which is relativistic time, is greater than delta t. Therefore, a moving clock always appears to go slow. That is, for the observer in motion, the clock at rest appears to be retarded by factor under root 1 minus v square upon c square. So, this concept is known as time dilation. Now, the important topic is time dilation is real effect. Example of meson decay. A mu meson decays into an electron in an average time of 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 seconds. Mu mesons are created high in the atmosphere by fast cosmic ray particles and reach at sea level. Such mesons have a speed of 2.994 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and can travel a distance of only 2.994 into 10 to the power 8 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to 600 meter. While mu mesons are created at altitudes more than 10 times greater than this. From the expression of time dilation, the lifetime of mu meson in our reference frames is extended and can be given as. So here we are calculating the dilated time of the mu meson. Delta t dash is equal to delta t upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon under root 1 minus, putting this value of v 0.998 c upon c whole square is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon under root upon 0.063. It comes out to be 31.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 second. So this time is bigger than its proper time. Thus, the distance traveled by mu meson in 31.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 second is equal to 2.994 into 10 to the power 8 into this time 31.7 into 10 to the power minus 6. It comes out to be 9500 meter, that is 9.5 kilometer, which is exactly the distance of the altitude where mu mesons are created above the earth. Now the meson paradox is resolved by using the results of a special theory of relativity. Hence we may say that time dilation is real effect. Thank you so much.